If the thermostat display looks normal but the system will not heat or cool, inspect the control circuitry and low voltage power first. Start by confirming the 24-volt transformer output at the air handler or furnace control board with a multimeter set to measure alternating current voltage between the common terminal and the hot terminal. If you do not have a meter, use the jumper method to momentarily bridge the hot 2 terminals that call for heat or cool on the control board to see if the equipment responds. Carefully inspect all low voltage wiring from the thermostat to the control board for broken conductors, loose terminal screws, or evidence of shorting where insulation is damaged. Verify the thermostat wiring is properly seated under the terminal screws and that the color coding corresponds to the correct terminals on the control board to avoid miswiring. Check that any fan center or relay modules used for 2-stage or variable speed systems are receiving the correct control signals and that their control voltages are present. Finally, confirm the system mode and temperature differentials at the thermostat are set to demand operation and not inhibited by a built-in delay or lockout function. The most common issues are an absent 24-volt supply from a failed transformer, which you can confirm with a meter and replace if the output is missing. Another frequent problem is a shorted or pinched low-voltage wire where insulation has been compromised and the circuit will not complete. Repair by re-terminating or replacing the damaged section and protecting the run with conduit or grommets. A third common situation is incorrect thermostat wiring after replacement, which can be resolved by mapping each conductor to the correct terminal on the control board and using the jumper test to validate correct responses before finalizing connections. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find work opportunities related to jobs like thermostat and control repairs. On our site, we host an active discussion community where we share troubleshooting tips, post project photos, and ask or answer questions so homeowners and contractors can learn from real experiences.